Okay, we're going to make gluten-free muffins. We're going to use buckwheat flour. It has nothing to do with wheat, and it has no gluten. There's our buckwheat flour, tablespoon of buckwheat flour, tablespoon of tapioca flour, 5 eggs, a cup of coconut flour, 2 cups of grated cheese. You could leave the cheese out if you're dairy-free, 2 cups of coconut milk. That's herbs. We've got some golden flaxseed, a tablespoon it looks like, and a tablespoon of psyllium husk powder, and a little bit of salt and baking powder to give it some rising fluffiness. There's our eggs whisked. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients to that. Okay, first thing is the cheese. Again, you can leave out the cheese if you're dairy free. There's our coconut flour, buckwheat flour. That looks like the tapioca flour. Golden flaxseed, psyllium husk, and our herbs. And we're gonna there is a pinch of salt and probably a teaspoon of baking powder in there. We're gonna mix it up now. That coconut flour is eventually going to seize up that mixture. It looks liquidy now, but you let it sit for a while. That coconut flour is going to soak up everything, and it's going to be quite pasty. Alright, so we're going to scoop it out with a scoop onto prepared baking sheets that are got parchment paper, and that parchment paper has been oiled. So that's probably a 2 ounce to 2.5 ounce scoop. Now you can put these close together. They're not going to, spread out or anything like that. They're going to hold their shape while you bake them. Bake them in a 350 oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. There they are. Pretty tasty. You can use them as hamburger buns, sandwich buns. I made a mini sandwich on one just to try it out. They're delicious.